What's up, everybody? Quick blog video. It's me, Gerald, here at the shop working on the Skyline. I actually just wanted to do this really quickly because one of my favorite customers came by and he brought this really amazing van for us to look at and work on. So I just wanted to talk about him. He's one of my favorite customers. His name's Lenny. He's got a really cool van. He's just cool, man. But I have to show you guys his van because it is just amazing. With the Darth Vader exhaust. I love his van so much. Look at this. Ooh, Skyline progress is coming along. Alrighty, look at that. Next video in the series. I got all the heat shielding on the Skyline. Today I'm gonna get the rest of this piping in. I'm gonna put the valley cover in here after I get some lunch. And then we can start putting the intake on, get all the rest of that done. I got the radiator and the fan ready to go. I even cleaned all this the other day so that when the owner gets it on the inside of the engine bay, it's all super clean. I mean, I didn't get crazy, but I think that'll work out pretty good. So yeah, that's the progress on the Skyline. We'll see if we turn that on today. I'm stoked. Today is August 6th. Quick update on this customer Skyline. We're almost done with it. We've got the engine mostly put back together. At this point, it's just really getting like hoses and stuff in, and then we're gonna get the radiator in and the rest of the timing cover for the front. So just wanted to keep filming this. Seems like people enjoy this, so yeah, I was happy that this is coming along, and we're almost ready to get this guy started again.